from 1 to infinity dx over x. The fundamental theorem from back in Calc 1 was only good for finite numbers. 2 to 5, 1 to 4, -3 to 6. So the fundamental theorem doesn't really apply. So what we do is we rewrite the problem so that I can apply the fundamental theorem, and then I take a limit of the part that's giving me trouble. So cover this up, and what's the integral of dx over x? ln absolute value of x. And ordinarily you would evaluate that upper and lower bounds. Here, I'll try to make a nice little bracket. So in the fundamental theorem, maybe you remember you plug the top number in, and you put a minus sign, and you plug the bottom number in. Do the easy part. ln of 1. You gotta count it. It's 0. E to what power has to equal 1? And the answer is 0.
So it's just LNB?
It's just LNB. But what's the limit of natural log as b goes to infinity? Infinity. If you think about the picture of ln looks like this. And as this goes further and further, that goes up and up. So this piece is going to infinity. And so what we say is that this integral diverges. We did not get a finite answer. We got infinity. But usually, well, I think the guy in the back will write the infinity and the diverges. Let me see what his homework directions say. I've forgotten, sorry.
So we say the function diverges?
Let me see what your author's directions are. Determine whether the improper integral diverges or converges. Evaluate the integral if it converges. So all you would write is the word diverges. Stop that.
If it goes to negative infinity and infinity is diverge?
Yes. Yes. And if he says if it goes to infinity or negative infinity, you write diverges. If it goes to a number, a finite amount, the integral is said to converge. But he wants you to not only say that it converges, he wants you to type what the answer is. So I have an example of that too.
You take the integral.
Well, it's still going to be a limit. It's just going to, but it's going to turn out to be a number instead of like this one where it turned out to be an infinity. So take a look at this.